Alright, hey guys, it's me, Super EAS Fan 24. I'm gonna make a video of my EAS recording area, since I never did one. And this is relatively new, so I want to start over here. This is fairly new. This is my table, or a nightstand, I guess you could say. I don't sleep here, but I sleep in my other room. And I have my Radio Shack 12521 and my WR300.
Temperature off Toledo is 38 degrees, off Cleveland 42 degrees, and off Erie 41 degrees.
And somebody said something on Skype. Let's see what they wrote. Oh. That's online. Okay. Anyway. And then we have the WR300.
It was cloudy, with a temperature of 39 for Lakefront.
Oh my lord. Yeah, there's a lot of messages here. So, yeah. I guess you could say that. Yeah. That's that over there. And over here, to my desk, we have my Midland WR120.
Was reported 47, and Chicago reported 39.
Then my Midland WR100, which is connected to the strobe light, which is hanging here.
This forecast office in Cleveland.
And there's like a snowman and stuff. Yeah, there's my scanner, my other scanner, and here's my Midland 74-200, my webcam.
Tonight, as a low-pressure system moves northeast out of the plains, this low-pressure system will move.
Here's my Radio Shack 12262. That sits here. A lot of these sit on my desk, but this one sits on the wall.
After midnight, south winds 5 to 10 miles per hour. Chance.
Yeah, I did not quite comprehend that. Christmas lights hanging there. If we walk here, there's my Recom R1630 weather radio.
30s. Southwest.
Yeah. Then we got, whoa. Then we have the WR11.
Miles per hour, becoming north.
Then we have the Radio Shack 12519.
Friday night, mostly cloudy and cold. Near steady temperature around 30.
With an Apple sticker on it. With my iPod. There's some Emerson AM/FM radio. Some random AM/FM radio. There's a portable TV. My Radio Shack 12522. It's off right now. The Midland HH54 VB2.
Miles per hour.
Hold on, Matt asked me a question. Yeah. There's my scanner. Just want to show you how it works.
Northwest winds 10 to 15 miles per hour. Chance of rain.
Channel 4 in Akron.
Rain in the
Channel 5.
Near
Channel
steady
7. The main channel here. That's pretty much it, I guess. Nothing really special, so this will be my main EAS area, and yeah, for recording alerts, and I will see you guys later. Thank you for watching.